Hello everyone, today we will be making student chicken biryani. First of all, I have taken about 500 grams of chicken. To this, add about half a tablespoon of ginger chopped, add half a tablespoon of garlic paste, add 5 plums, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, add 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, add 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix this well. Keep the chicken for marination for about 4 to 8 hours. You can also skip the marination part in the student biryani. However, to enhance the taste, I am going with marinating. After 4 hours, to this chicken I'll be adding about 1 cup of yogurt. Mix the chicken and the yogurt and all the masala together. Keep this for marination for about 30 minutes and then we can proceed. Take a cooking pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil into the cooking pan. To the oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, we are going to add 2 bay leaves. To this, add about 3 medium-sized tomatoes which are chopped. Fry the tomatoes until they become soft. To this, add our marinated chicken. Fry this mutton along with the masala and the tomatoes until the oil separates. Oil has separated, chicken pieces have turned white. Now I am going to add 3/4 cup of water. Add chopped coriander, chopped mint, add about 6 slit green chilies and then mix this well. Cook this on a low to medium flame until the chicken pieces become tender and soft. The chicken has become soft and it has been cooked very properly. Since yakhni is a lot, we are going to separate the yakhni and keep the pieces aside, and I'll show you how the biryani preparation is done. During this time, we need to deep fry the onions till they turn brown in color. Take a cooking bowl filled with 3/4 of the water. For every cup of rice, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the water, add about 5 cloves into this, add 1 teaspoon of shazira and add 1 teaspoon of oil that you have used for making onions. Initially I have put the rice for soaking for about 30 minutes. When the water has come to boil, add soaked rice into this. We'll cook the rice until it is 80% cooked. The rice seems to be 80% cooked. Now I'm going to drain the water off. Once this is done, we prepare the layers for biryani. As you can see, this is basically the chicken at the bottom. Add some fried onions onto this. Add a layer of rice. Add fried onions. Add yakhni. Add a layer of rice. Add fried onions, add a layer of yakhni, add rice, add a layer of fried onions, add little yakhni on top of it. This is our preparation of the biryani pot. We need to seal cooking pot. As I have taken pressure cooker, so it is very easy to seal. I'm using the belt and also the whistle to properly seal the pressure cooker. I'm going to use the wheat dough. As you can see on the whistle, we are going to apply some of the dough. This will protect the steam from leaving the container. Now we are going to cook this on a high flame for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to cook this on a low flame for about 15 minutes. Then our biryani will be ready. It has been 20 minutes. Open the lid of the pressure cooker. So this is our biryani. I'm going to mix it, dish out, and I'll show how the preparation looks like. As you can see, this is our student biryani. It looks fantastic. Please try this recipe at home, and if you like this recipe, please like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.